Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Dave from Both Lighting USA. And if you're watching this video, you probably have one of our pre-programmed project files for SoundSwitch. And this video is talking about the visualizer that's included with SoundSwitch. It's called Capture. It's a fantastic, very well-known visualizer software that we're including for free with the Diamond file or with a future file of our SoundSwitch pre-programmed project. Now, what does this mean for you? You can actually view an entire lighting rig of all of the lights that are included in the file, and you can try out different scenes inside of SoundSwitch, and on Capture, you can watch it live in real time as you're changing in SoundSwitch. Now, what is not included? This is not the full license for Capture, so you can't go in and actually move the set. You can't move the 3D pieces that we've created, but what you can do is make changes in SoundSwitch and watch it live on the visualizer. So let's go through how to get the visualizer working. This is specifically for Mac. I want to head over into our Finder and into our downloads because I want to show you these two folders right here. These are the two folders that you get included when you purchase the Diamond project. So one of them right here, Diamond, this one is the actual SoundSwitch project, of course. So that's when you unzip that, that's in this folder right here. This folder that's inside of it, this is, of course, the exact programmed file for SoundSwitch. So when you go into SoundSwitch and you hit open, this is the one you want to select. But we've already done that, of course. I want to show the other zip file, D3.2 Capture Project. That is right here. You can double click on this, and there's 4 files in here, and you might not know what to do with them. And I didn't know either until I got the tutorial. So that's why I'm making this for all of you. There's a 2-step process to opening up the project. Step 1 is to open this file right here. This is like the logo of Capture. So this is the first one that you want to press. But when you double click it, it actually just opens up a new prompt to open another file. So you're like, what do I do here? Why did it not open? Oh, that's because when this comes up, you have to open the bin file now. So let's double click on this bin file. And now it should open the Capture project. Now, in the bottom here, you should see some of the different scenes and auto loops that we have created. This is like the prime time, for example, and it's just showing basically a demo of what you see. You can actually move around by pressing the option button and moving your mouse around. You can also use 2 fingers to move around if you're on a computer. You can also zoom in and out with the scroll wheel on a mouse if you've got that, or you can zoom in and out with pinching your 2 fingers together. But here's the most important thing that I want to show. That is the external button right here. When you press external, it's actually looking for a signal from SoundSwitch to tell the lights what to do. So let's actually close this up here. Let's give ourselves a little bit of room so I can open up SoundSwitch and the capture file at the same time. So here we go. Let's open SoundSwitch. Let's move our capture over here. SoundSwitch is going to open up and we're going to go right into performance mode. So let's do that. But before we do so, there are 2 very specific settings that you need before you can get any connection here. See, right now we're blacked out. Let's press the settings icon in the top right corner. Let's press the hardware tab. And you want to make sure that you have 2 checkboxes checked. The first one is Enable ArtNet, and the second one is Localhost ArtNet Node. These 2 absolutely need to be pressed on. And now we can press Done, go to Performance, go to Diamond, and boom, you should see connection right away. There you go. Let's test it out by going into a static look, and let's see, do we get static blue? Oh, there you go. You got static blue, you got static green, red, pink, it is all in there. Let's try an auto loop. So of course, to turn on an auto loop, you have to deactivate any of your static looks. Let's go over to the auto loop section. I use BPM detection, so we need to flip the BPM detection switch on to get the auto loops to start running. And let's go right to the prime time tab and pick a crazy one. Let's see, how about red, green, and white? Boom. So right now you can visualize exactly what your lights would do if they were in front of you. If you've got the tubes, you can see the patterns that the tubes are running. You can see the uplights alternating down in the bottom here, and you can see all your moving heads moving. So if you're making any adjustments or changes in edit mode of SoundSwitch, you can see those changes live so that you don't have to actually set your lights up. I love this. It's fantastic. It's a great little addition. It's also perfect if you want to show off your light show to someone before, before you actually book the event. If this is a way that you can make a sale by showing this, that's beautiful, and that's definitely what is done in a lot of high-end events. Even consider purchasing the capture full license so that you can remove lights that you don't have, maybe add lights that you do have. But in general, this is free for you. This is all of the both lighting products we sell, and this is all the lights that are programmed into the file. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know. Put them in the comments. And if you can't open the file, just send us a message as well or email us info@bothlightingusa.com. We've got SoundSwitch experts here. We'll definitely help you get this set up and running. Like I said on Mac here, like I showed, it should be pretty simple. But if you're running into some issues, let us know. Thanks for watching, everybody.